Alright, last time. Okay, apparently the elevator gets me up one floor. And we'll see what happens after that. Oh, this is going to be quite dark. We're here. Okay, I'll join you outside. Okay, I'm on the stairs on the way up, and something really loud just went over me when I was inside. It might have been a train or something, but I tell you, it scared the crap out of me. It was very loud. Anyway, this is quite an odd experience because there's no one else around. I think everybody else may have found out that the elevator was broken and decided that they weren't going to do it. And to be honest, I don't know how high I'm going to need to go. If this elevator's not working, I'll see you at the top. It's quite noisy. It's pretty far out, but you could emerge with me. Let's have a look. I might be able to loop my hand. Look at this. Alright, this is good. Walking over here. Oh, I don't love that. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, just went across there. Oh, I don't like it, no. Oh my god, we're first going across. One more time. Yeah, touch. Okay, it's a warm, grey but drizzly morning here in Lisbon. It's my last day. So update with my mum. She got discharged home yesterday. Looks like she had a CT scan. Gave the all clear for her heart. There was nothing serious going on. She had a couple of x-rays and an ECG as well, just because she fell, so they're just checking there were no fractures. So it looks like she was okay enough to go home. I don't know the entire details. She was sent home pretty late last night. So I'll be back there later tonight and I'll be able to check on her myself, but she was sent home with a Zimmer frame. Now, I don't know about you people who are watching this, you wonderful people, but you know, with aging parents, often you have the kind of like balance with independence as well. And I've been talking with my mum for years, and my dad, maybe 30 years, about selling their house and getting a bungalow. And then it's always later, we'll think later, we'll wait until something bad happens. And I literally had the conversation with them on Monday where I felt like it actually sunk in. Actually, it was Sunday, saying, don't wait for something bad to happen before you move. Take control of the situation and enjoy the years that you've got left, and you can live closer to your grandparents. This is my sister's children, and then when we come and visit from New Zealand, we can all stay together. And it looked like it was actually sinking in. And then, of course, ironically, the next day she falls. 2 days later. And so yeah, it's just so frustrating. I'm so glad that she's happy and she's okay, but also really frustrating that I wish the move had happened before this, and now it's going to be, they're going to want to move, but now it's going to take a while for us to put that in place, because we're now going to have to look for a place for them, where if we had been doing this a few years ago, it wouldn't feel quite so urgent. So yeah, that's my update news from here. I'm just having a wander around, might grab a quick coffee, and then I've got to pack up my room and leave. So here we are again, back at the square where I started, and here's the river, and the bridge is out there, but you can't see it today because the cloud is so low and it's so misty. We'll see how I go this morning. I'm hoping that this is going to blow through and clear up a little bit, but I'm really not sure it's going to. Okay, let's be clear, this is first breakfast. So good. Chased down by a tiny espresso. Wonderful. Okay, so what with calling my mum and everything, it's the earliest I could get here this morning, but check out that queue behind me. This is the Monasterio dos Jerónimos, and it is like one of the best places in Lisbon to go, but I don't think I'm going to make it today because that queue is crazy. I'm just going to go and find out whether the Lisbon car queue is any shorter, but I can't find anything. So yeah, and it's really, really, really drizzly. So I don't really think the views inside are going to be great anyway. Not that I want to go in here any less. So I may be going to a couple of other different museums that are around here instead. Okay, after what feels like it's been quite a wasted morning running around in the rain, I have found a place to come to. It's the Museum of Antique Arts, which is just across the road over there. But I thought I would just stop in for a coffee and a ham and cheese croissant, because you know what it's like when you go to museums after you've had a frustrating day. You can get a bit hangry. So I thought, let's stop that from happening and get some coffee first. That was fun, but if anything, the rain has got worse now, and I realized that I am really tired. Yesterday was really stressful. Like I was, at the beginning of the day, I was not sure if my mum had had a heart attack or not. Who knows what could have happened yesterday? But now I'm like shattered because of all of those stress hormones yesterday and being processed, and now I'm tired. So I'm going to figure out the way back to the bus stop, and then I'm going to pick up my bags, because it's time for me to head back to the airport now and just chill.